Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, Happy New Year guys. Welcome back. This is our first video of 2021. Get that other year behind us and get going with a brand new thing. Guys, we're inside tonight. Of course, it's winter time and it is cold outside, so outside cooking will be limited for a little while. So, guys, I want to bring to you another air fryer cook. And while Christmas shopping or wrapping up everything for Christmas dinner, I ran across this in the store. This is Grippos barbecue spice. I don't know if you've heard of Grippos potato chips. They're made not too far away from here in Louisville and Cincinnati. Great barbecue potato chips, old school. They lay the seasoning on real heavy. And I was very excited to find this in the store, guys. And I tell you what, I'm going to make my own homemade air fried potato chips. I've never made potato chips, so we're gonna do Grippos air fried. Let's get going. Okay guys, I got three, they're pretty small russet potatoes. And see, I got this old school cheap little mandolin I've had forever. I'm gonna start cutting these up, take the ends off. We're gonna make some just little potato chip wedges here. Very thin. See, they're, I don't know if you can see that. It's very thin. I'm leaving the skins on. I did wash these up. So I'm going to just take these down, hopefully not chop off my finger. That's about what we're looking at there, guys. Pretty thin. I'm gonna put these over in the water so we can soak and get some starch out. And we'll continue on. Given how much is in this bowl, I'm just gonna do two potatoes. I think that's gonna give us plenty to snack on. All right guys, I'm gonna rinse this a couple times and I'm just gonna let this sit in the fridge for about 20-25 minutes and get rid of some of that starch in there. Then we'll get to making our potato chips, Grippos chips. Okay folks, I just got a paper towel laid out here. These set in the fridge for about, 25 minutes or so. And I'm just going to get as much moisture off of these as I can before I season them up. I just do this in batches. Won't take me very long. Just put them in the bowl. Looking at these slices, I clearly need to invest in a real mandolin slicer. I had that cheap old thing, I bet 20 years. Some are thicker than others. It's alright, it's gonna be good. Okay, I'm just gonna hit this up with some Pam cooking oil. This is the canola oil blend. Get this a little bit oiled. We're not using a whole lot of oil, but we're gonna use some. And let's get in some Grippos spice. If you've ever eaten Grippos chips, you know they lay it on pretty heavy, which is what makes them special. A little bit more oil, guys. Let's open this other end. Get some spice in there. Now we're talking. Get this all over everything. I think that's going to do us. We can always hit them up with a little bit more at the end if we need to. Okay, gonna hit just to keep from some sticking. Little oil on the crisper tray. And I'm gonna layer these. I don't know, I'm assuming I'll need at least 2 trays here. They don't have to be perfect. I don't mind them being stacked up a little bit. So we will shake them up a little bit as we go. Alright, I don't know if you can see this. I preset this at 325 degrees in the air fryer setting. I've set it for 20 minutes. Typically it's 15 minutes and you check it every 5 minutes. I've got all 3 trays full here, so I'm gonna go 20 minutes just to see. We'll check it as we go. Let's get preheated. Okay, we are there. we would check these for about every 5 minutes or so. We're roughly 6 minutes in here, and I just want to take a little look. They're still there, they're loose. Definitely not done. Yeah, we're looking good so far. Them kind of even. Get in there. Same thing for the top. I like what I'm seeing. Definitely not done, not even crisping up, but we're getting there. Keep it going. This might do another little reheat, but that's okay. No, it ain't. Probably right at 15 minutes now. I want to check these. I bet we're close. Not quite crisp enough. Some of them are. We're gonna go just a little bit longer. Alright, let's see what we got here, folks. This bottom rack. Some of these are really crispy. Oh, can you see that? They're not real crispy. I mean, some of them are. First attempt, I'm not going to call it a fail, but I'm not getting the crispiness. Let's get these off of here, and I'm going to give them a taste test anyway. Alright guys, let's take a look at this. They didn't get as crispy. Some of them did. I think it's the different levels of thickness I had. It's alright. Let's taste it anyway. Alright guys. I love crispy piece. Got the flavor there. Definitely not as, ooh, there is some flavor there. Yeah, let me hit that a little bit more. Definitely some flavor there. That is Grippos. Guys, if you haven't tried this, they are online. I'll leave a link to the Grippos site where you can buy this seasoning. It's just something I seen in the store and got excited about. I'll work on potato chips. That's something I need to work on for sure. They're good though. Guys, thanks so much. That was fun. My first video of the year. I'm not going to call it a super success, but I got flavor, so I'm not calling it a fail either. Guys, thanks so much. Guys, we'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.